My name is Benjamin An. I'm the owner-operator of Cyber Ceramics. Growing into a modern dental laboratory means you buy a lot of equipment and you need a lot of technology. Before Imagine, I had a really hard time. I had to deal with a lot of vendors and schedule a lot of work just in case like a machine went down or I needed this material or this software. And to go and source all that takes a lot of time and energy. When I work with Imagine, I just give them a call and they have what I need. I'm able to generate a consistent workflow with pretty much everything Imagine has provided me, from exocad to printers to milling machines. And it really makes it easy for me to focus on my patients. There are times when you're working at a dental laboratory and the most important thing is a due date and the case has to go out. Things sometimes go sideways. And when that happens, I'm really happy that I have a place to call. Hey guys, I have this issue that's going on with a machine, how do I fix it? You don't always get this with a vendor, but when I work with Imagine, they have the insight to teach me on how we can utilize software. When we look at patient base, in terms of where most of our population is, it is the aging population. The baby boomers that are getting into their 60s and 70s now, they're gonna need somebody who's committed to providing the best care to another human being. I want to treat people the best way that I can, and I want to work with the people who have the same mission as me. And Imagine, they helped me in that journey. And they became really good friends. We could sit around a dinner table and just talk about what could be cool for the industry. You don't find that too often. What's better than going through life working with good people? They're also really good at what they do. We want to give the patient a comprehensive outcome in terms of the resiliency of product and aesthetics of the restoration. It is absolutely critical to get these prostheses for the patient out on time with the best fit because, they can't eat. They're usually miserable in this process because they've just lost all their teeth. They went through a fairly intensive surgery. And if something doesn't fit that day, it actually turns out to be pretty painful. I want to make sure that what we make on those special days for that patient where they're going to get their teeth back works absolutely flawlessly. And I think that's really worthwhile. Utilizing the best technology, the best materials, and working with the best friends to just go and get that for that patient really makes somebody smile. Sometimes it feels like you give their soul back to them when they get that. It's incredible. Doing an interview like this really excited me. I was like, wow, this is a really cool experience. They asked me and I was like, oh, maybe, why was there even any doubt? I get to go and see my friends. And then I really kind of forgot about, why I came to do this interview. I just thought, oh, it's going to be good to see my friends today. That's what I feel like when I work with Imagine. And I hope anybody who works with them gets that same feeling too.